Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get your PDF files, your chip PDF files set up in Adobe Illustrator so that you can put those into the laser cutter software so that you can cut your chips. So first thing you got to do, open Illustrator, let it initialize, go to File, New, to make a new artboard. Doesn't really matter the width and height, just click OK. And now, so here's your whiteboard. So now you want to place your AutoCAD chip design drawing onto this whiteboard. So the way we're going to do that is go to File, Place, and then you look for your chip design. Let's just say it's this one, Place. Scaling, so for this application you want the units to be in millimeters, but if you wanted it to be any other unit, just choose it. The important part is you want the scaling to be 1:1, so delete that, make it 1, and then hit OK. Okay, cool. So here's our chip drawing image. So the tricky part is that you have to distinguish between the parts of the chip that you want to engrave and the parts of the chip that you want to cut. So you want to engrave this part, right, the channels, and you don't want to engrave the outline. You want to cut the outline. So in order to do that, you have to make two separate PDF files in Illustrator in order to distinguish between those two. So let's say I wanted to make the engraved part first. I just drag the outline off the screen and then hit File, Save As. We'll call it chip channels, why not? And then you want to save it as a PDF. Hit Save. You want to deselect all these options. Save as PDF. Okay. Alright, cool. So now just hit Control Z. Now you're back to your original AutoCAD drawing. And then you do the same thing, except you eliminate the parts that you're engraving, since we don't want that for this, for the outline file. So you just highlight it, delete it, go to File, Save As, and then we'll call it chip outline. Save it as a Adobe PDF file, hit Save. Cool. Alright, and that's about it.